Hello friends. In this video I am going to discuss some more problems of curve tracing when equation of a curve is given in Cartesian form and also it is of this form y is equal to fx. Now given question is trace the curve y is equal to 8a cube by x square plus 4a square when a is given to be positive. Okay, we have to trace this curve. First step is symmetry. First is symmetry. Since we have even power of x in the equation, therefore curve is symmetric about y-axis, all powers of x. So symmetric. So symmetric with respect to or symmetric about y-axis. Next is origin. Next we have to check if origin lies on the curve or not. On taking y to be 0 and x to be 0, we are getting 0 is equal to 8a cube. Okay, where a is positive, that means not possible. Therefore, does not pass through origin. Does not pass through origin. Next, we have to find the points of intersection with coordinate axis. Points of intersection with coordinate axis. Points of intersection with coordinate axis. When x is equal to 0, when x is 0, we have 4a square y is equal to 8a cube, that is y is equal to 2a. That is point of intersection is 0 to a is point of intersection. Okay. Next, when y is equal to 0, again we are getting 0 is equal to 8a cube. Not possible. That means no point of intersection. So no point. So only point of intersection is 0 to a. Next we have to find the tangent at this point 0 to a. Okay. Next we find the tangent at the point 0 to a. Now tangent at the point. Now next we have to find tangent at 0 to a. Okay, for this we have to substitute this in the given equation. We have to substitute these values. Therefore, substituting these values in given equation, we get y plus 2a is equal to 8a cube by x square plus 4a square. That is y plus 2a into x square plus 4a square minus 8a cube is equal to 0. That is, this is x square y plus 4a square y plus 2ax square plus 8a cube minus 8a cube is equal to 0. Now, equation of tangent will be obtained by equating to 0 lowest degree term. Therefore, equation of tangent is, this is 2 degree, this is 3 degree, this is 1 degree. Equation of tangent will be y is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 2a. This is my equation of tangent at the point 0, 2a. Next step, we have to find asymptotes. Okay. Now, given curve can be written as x square y plus 4a square y minus 8a cube is equal to 0. I can rewrite my equation of curve in this form. Okay, that is, this is x square plus 4a square y minus 8a cube is equal to 0. Now, asymptotes parallel to y-axis is obtained by equating to 0 coefficient of highest power of y. This is x square plus 4a square is equal to 0. That is x square is equal to minus 4a square, which is not possible. Okay, therefore no asymptote parallel to y-axis. Same way, asymptote parallel to x-axis. Highest power of x is x square and coefficient is y. That is y is equal to 0. This is asymptote parallel to x-axis. Means equation of tangent we have obtained and equation of asymptote we have obtained. Okay. Next we have to check the region. Next we check the region. Okay. Next is the region. Fifth is region. Now, phi is equal to 8a cube by x square plus 4a square. Okay. Now, a is positive, which is given to us. That means this is positive, x square is positive, this is positive. That means y is positive for all values of x. This is for all values of x, y is positive. Therefore curve lies in first and second quadrant. Okay, that means above x-axis. Curve lies in first and second quadrant, above x-axis only, not below x-axis. Sixth step is critical points. Okay, critical points or critical values. Now, for this we have to find dy by dx. Now, dy by dx, this is my y. Dy by dx is x square plus 4a square whole square, x square plus 4a square into 0 minus 8a cube into 2x. Okay. Now, this is minus 16a cube x upon x square plus 4a square whole square. Now, a is given positive to us. Okay. Denominator is positive always and a is positive. Since a is positive, that is given to us, dy by dx is less than 0. Dy by dx will be less than 0 if x is positive. Since here we have minus sign outside, a is positive, a cube is positive, denominator is positive. So, sign of dy by dx will depend on x only. Now, dy by dx will be less than 0 if x is positive. Therefore, y is strictly decreasing in the interval 0 infinity when my x is positive. Okay. Also, dy by dx is greater than 0 if x is less than 0. Therefore, y is increasing in the interval minus infinity to 0. Okay. Here it is decreasing and here it is increasing. Now we have to find the maximum or the minimum value of y. Okay. For this we have to find d2y by dx square. Now dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to minus 16a cube x by x square plus 4a square whole square. Now to find d2y by dx square. Taking minus 16a cube outside, we have to find its second derivative. X square plus 4a square whole square. Sorry, 4 times. Here it is x square plus 4a square whole square into 1, derivative of x is 1, minus x. Now derivative of this denominator, this is 2 into x square plus 4a square into 2x. Okay. Now on simplifying this equation, I get this as minus 16a cube into minus of 3x4 plus 8x square a square minus 16a4 divided by x square plus 4a square power 4. On simplifying this equation, I have this. Therefore, this is equal to minus minus will get cancelled out, 16a cube into 3x4 plus 8x square a square minus 16a4 upon x square plus 4a square power 4. Now, dy by dx is equal to 0 gives x is equal to 0. We have to check the sign of d2y by dx square at the point x is equal to 0. Now, d2y by dx square when my x is 0 is equal to, this is 0, this is 0, this is equal to 16a cube to minus 16a4 by 4a square power 4. Okay, now this is positive, a is positive, that means a cube is positive, that means this is less than 0. Therefore, we have a maximum value at the point x is equal to 0. We have a maximum value and maximum value is given by, therefore, maximum value is obtained by substituting x is equal to 0 in given equation. Maximum value is 2a. Okay. Maximum value is 2a. Okay. Now, from all these steps, we are now able to trace our curve. No need to find points of inflection. We are able to trace at this step only. Okay. First, draw this. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. Now, first, tangent is, this is my A point, this is my 2A. Let. Now, at this point, 0 to A, this y is equal to 2A. This is y is equal to 2A. This is my tangent. And also, we know this y is equal to 0, that is x-axis is my asymptote. Okay. This is my tangent, this is my asymptote. Okay. Now this is tangent, that means curve will be of this form. So that this line y is equal to 2a will be a tangent and this x-axis is the asymptote. That means here we should have like this form. Curve should be of this form. Okay, so that my x-axis will become a tangent. Okay, and this is my maximum value 2a. That means my curve should be of like this form. Okay, this is the curve. So that y is equal to 2a is a tangent. This is my maximum value. 2a is my maximum value and x-axis is my asymptote. This is the graph of the given curve. Okay. Now second, if I have the same curve, y is equal to 8a cube by x square plus 4a square, and instead of a positive, we are given a is negative here. Now we have to trace the curve, graph of this given curve. Now symmetry is same. Symmetry is same. Symmetric with respect to y-axis. This will be same as done before in the previous example. Origin does not pass through origin. Okay. Third, intersection with coordinate axis. That we have already found intersection with coordinate axis. Intersect coordinate axis only at the point 0 to a. Okay, only at the point 0 to a. And here a is less than 0 and tangent is y is equal to 2a. Okay, these all are same. Okay. Now next is asymptote. Asymptote. Fourth is asymptote. That is also same. Y is equal to 0. This is the asymptote. Y is equal to 0. This is also same. Next step, region. Now in the region, there is a change. Here y is equal to 8a cube by x square plus 4a square, and here a is less than 0. Okay. Now denominator is positive, x square plus 4a square is positive, but in the numerator we have a cube and a is less than 0. That means y is negative. Therefore, since here a is less than 0, y is negative for every value of x. Therefore, curve lies in third and fourth quadrant. Curve lies in third and fourth quadrant. Okay, in the previous example where my a was positive, curve lies in the first and second quadrant. But here, since y is negative, a is negative given to us, a is less than 0, y is negative for every value of x. Therefore, curve lies in third and fourth quadrant. This is the difference in the previous example when a is positive and when a is negative here. Okay, and same way there is a difference in critical values also. Critical values. Here dy by dx is minus 16a cube x by x square plus 4a square whole square. Now here, since a is negative, dy by dx is positive when x is greater than 0. Since a is negative, when x is greater than 0, negative, negative, positive. Therefore, increasing in the interval 0 infinity and decreasing dy by dx is less than 0 for all x less than 0. That is decreasing in minus infinity 0. This is the difference. And also d2y by dx square is, which is 16a cube into minus 16a4 upon 4a square by 4 is greater than 0 at the point x is equal to 0. That means it is minimum. Okay, at x is equal to 0. And minimum value here is, minimum value is 2a. Okay, means there is a difference in the region and in the critical values when a is less than 0 from the previous example when a was positive there. Okay, now graph of this curve will be of the form, now here I have this. Okay, now graph will be of the form, now graph lies in third and fourth quadrant. From the region it is clear. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. Okay, now this is my asymptote. This is also clear. Y is equal to 0. This is my asymptote. Now since a is negative, 2a will be here. This is y is equal to 2a. Okay, since a is negative here, a is less than 0. Now this is my asymptote and this is my tangent. And this is my minimum value. Okay, therefore graph will be of this form. Graph will be of this form. So that this x-axis will be the tangent, y is equal to 2a, x-axis is the asymptote and y is equal to 2a is the tangent, and this value is the minimum value. Okay, now this is the graph in the third and fourth quadrant when my a is negative. Okay, now consider next example. Trace the curve y 1 minus x square is equal to x square. Okay, now we have to trace this curve. Now clearly y is x square by 1 minus x square. Now first step is symmetry. Since we have even power of x, that means symmetric about y-axis. About y-axis, since we have even power of x. Second, origin. On taking x and y to be 0, equation satisfies. Therefore, passes through origin. Passes through origin. Passes through origin. And tangent at origin. Tangent at origin. Tangent at origin. Equating to lowest degree term to 0. Equation at origin is y is equal to 0. That is x-axis. Okay, lowest degree term is y. This is y minus y x square minus x square is equal to 0. Lowest degree term is y is equal to 0. This is equation of tangent at the origin. Next, we have to find the intersection with coordinate axis. Next step is intersection with coordinate axis. Third, intersection with coordinate axis. Now, when y is 0, when y is equal to 0, gives x square is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0, and when x is equal to 0, gives y is equal to 0. That means meets coordinate axis at origin only. Coordinate axis at 0, 0 only. At the origin only. Okay. Now fourth is asymptotes. Now given equation can be rewritten as y minus y x square minus x square is equal to 0. Now asymptote parallel to y-axis means on equating coefficient of highest power of y to 0. That is 1 minus x square is equal to 0. That is x is equal to plus minus 1. This is asymptote parallel to y-axis, and same way asymptote parallel to x-axis. Now coefficient is 1 plus y, that is 1 plus y is equal to 0, that is y is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is asymptote parallel to x-axis. Next step, we have to find the region. Next step is region. Now y is x square upon 1 minus x square. Clearly at the point when x is 1 or minus 1, y is not defined. Therefore, y is not defined for x is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, this will be infinity case. Okay, y is not defined for x is equal to plus minus 1. Also, now writing x in terms of y, also y minus y x square is equal to x square gives x square is equal to y upon 1 plus y. Now since x square is positive, left hand side is positive, right hand side should also be positive. Now left hand side is positive implies right hand side is positive. Now this is right hand side. Now right hand side is positive if both numerator and denominator are positive, or both numerator and denominator are negative. In both the cases, right hand side will be positive. Okay, so we have two cases: when both numerator and denominator are positive, and when we have both are negative. Okay, now first one is when both are positive, y is positive and 1 plus y is positive. Okay, the solution is y is positive. Okay, and second one is y is less than 0 and 1 plus y is less than 0. That is here, that is y is less than minus 1. The solution will be y is less than minus 1. Since if y is less than minus 1, then obviously y will be less than 0 also. Therefore, graph must lie in the region bounded by y is equal to 0 and y is less than minus 1. Okay. Now next is critical points. Critical points or critical values. Now y is x square upon 1 minus x square. For this we have to find dy by dx. This is equal to 1 minus x square whole square, 1 minus x square into 2x minus x square into minus 2x. This is equal to 2x by 1 minus x square whole square. Okay. Now dy by dx, this denominator is positive always. Now dy by dx is positive. If x is positive, that is y is strictly increasing in the interval 0 infinity. Okay. And dy by dx is less than 0 if x is less than 0, that is y is decreasing in the interval minus infinity 0. And dy by dx is 0. Also, dy by dx is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0. Now we have to find the maximum or the minimum value. Okay. For this we have to find d2y by dx square. Okay. Now dy by dx is equal to 2x by 1 minus x square whole square. We have to find the second derivative. Okay. Now d2y by dx square is equal to, this is 1 minus x square power 4. This is 1 minus x square 2 minus 2x into 2 into 1 minus x square into minus 2x. Okay. Now on solving this, I get this is as 2 1 minus 2x square plus x power 4 plus 8x square 1 minus x square upon 1 minus x square power 4. Now at the point x is equal to 0, we have to check its maximum or the minimum value. Okay, at the point x is equal to 0. Now d2y by dx square is equal to, this is 0, this is 0, this whole is 0. We are having 2 by 2 into 1 by 1. That is positive. Therefore, minimum at x is equal to 0. Okay, and when x is 0, my y is also 0. That means minimum value is 0. Okay. Therefore, minimum value is 0. Okay. Now, from all these information we have obtained from 7 steps, we are now able to trace our curve. This is y-axis, this is my x-axis. Okay. Now first thing is tangent. Now y is equal to 0. This is my tangent. Y is equal to 0 is tangent. Okay. Next, asymptotes. X is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. These are the asymptotes parallel to y-axis. This is one asymptote. And at minus 1, this is my next asymptote. This is x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. These two are the asymptotes. And one asymptote is y is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. This is also a asymptote parallel to my x-axis. Now this is my asymptote. This is my asymptote. This is my asymptote. Okay. And this is my minimum value 0. Okay. Now curve lies above this y greater than 0 and below y is less than minus 1. This is a region, no curve in this portion. Okay. Now these two are asymptotes, therefore curve is of this form here. Okay. And same way here also, curve is of this form. And here, this is my tangent. Therefore, tangent curve should be of this form, and this is asymptote. Therefore, shape of the curve, and this is my minimum value. Shape of the curve is like this. Okay, this is my curve. This is the graph of given curve. These three are asymptotes, and this is a tangent, and at this point 0 0 we are having a minimum value. Okay, this is a graph of given curve. That's it for this video. In my next video I'm going to discuss some more problems on curve tracing. If you have any queries or any suggestions, please write to me in comment box. Thank you.